Hey guys, it's Josie, and today I wanted to show you my 2024 beauty favorites. So some of these are for hair, some of these are for skin, some of these are for nails. So I just wanted to show you things that I have purchased that I continue to use and repurchase as needed. So let's just get right into the video. So starting off with hair care, I like to use the Cécred leave-in conditioner as well as the Cécred nourishing hair oil. So I use these together sometimes, separate sometimes, it just all depends. So I like to use the leave-in conditioner when my hair is still damp after the shower, and I use very little. And then the hair oil I usually just use like mid to end of my hair, depending on if my hair is frizzy or not and depending on how I am wearing my hair. So most of the time I just wear it down, and then I will use this before I brush my hair so that it's not all poofy and frizzy, and it works really great. And then like I said, I use this while my hair is still damp after the shower, and then I just let it dry with this in so that my hair's not as dry the next day and it stays nice and moisturized. This is not a hair product but a hair tool, and this is a brush cleaning tool from Cécred. So I like to use this every day after I brush my hair. I just brush the bristles with this brush and get all the hair out so my brush stays nice and clean. Moving on to skincare, I don't do a whole lot, but I really love to use the Fenty Beauty Overnight Moisturizer. They call it the Overnight Recovery Gel Cream, so I like to use this at night before bed after I've washed my face and everything. It comes in this little jar, it has the applicator and everything inside, and I really love that you can just purchase the refills for this so you're not creating as much waste. I love to use it and I continue to repurchase it as needed. And then another thing that I love is the Hero Mighty patches. So I get the Invisible Plus ones, so they're really nice to have on during the day because they are basically invisible. And some other brands that I've tried also say that they're invisible, but they're really not. You can still see them. These ones go pretty much unnoticed. I don't even remember that I have these on usually because they work that well. So you can't see them, you can't feel them, and they're just my favorite patches that I've tried so far. And finally, for my nail favorites, I like to use the Dashing Diva nail strips. So I have these Christmas ones on right now. Basically, I got this starter kit first because it comes with the LED lamp to cure the nail strips. So I also just wanted to try it out and see how it worked first. So the starter kit is really great, and then that way you can use the LED lamp the entire time and just get the refills. These ones are the Dashing Diva gloss ones, and like I said, they're the ones that I have on right now for the holidays. And honestly, at first it was a little bit of trial and error, but as I keep practicing and using them and getting different ones, like I have plain ones and then I have ones for holidays obviously, or I get ones for certain events. And now that I have practice with them, they always turn out really well, so I will be continuing to purchase them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, you can like and subscribe down below, or leave a comment on what you want to see next, or if you've tried any of my 2024 beauty favorites, and have a nice day!